Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming insert size and pitch so the new threads match precisely. Once confirmed, clear the hole of debris and any damaged material. This improves fit and longevity. Next, drill to the specified diameter and start the tap straight. Why? Because proper alignment prevents cross-threading and ensures full engagement. Move slowly, back out to clear chips, and use cutting fluid for smoother cutting and longer tool life. Now you feed the insert onto the installation tool and engage the prepared tapped hole. Turn it in steadily until the insert seats flush or just below the surface according to spec. This ensures correct load distribution and avoids protrusion. Once seated, break or remove the tang if required. This prevents interference with the mating fastener. Finally, double-check the insert orientation and verify the recommended torque for the future bolt to avoid premature failure. To finish, clean the area to remove chips and any cutting fluid, then test fit the bolt to the specified torque to ensure smooth engagement and correct clamping. If everything turns freely and holds torque, you are done. If you find binding or cross-threading, don't force it. Instead, back out, inspect, and either retap with the next larger insert size or use an oversized helicoil. This preserves the parent material and restores reliable threads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.